Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Raisa Amanda. I want to present about my social media. How many social media tools have been used? I started using social media in 2018. Since then, I have created and used 5 different social media tools. What's the name of the social media platform? I use some social media manager, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube. And name of all social media accounts is Raisa Amanda. Next, most used social media graph and monthly expenses. Instagram and TikTok are the most frequently used platform because they offer engaging visual content and interactive features. I use TikTok in a day 2 hours 9 minutes and Instagram 1 hour 6 minutes. Monthly expenses for using social media are around 100,000 mainly for internet or data packages to stay connected. Advantage and disadvantage of social media. Advantage: easy communication, business promotion, entertainment. Disadvantage: time consuming, risk of cyberbullying, privacy issue. Personal statement: social media has become an important part of daily life. It helps to stay connected and grow our business, but it also comes with risk like wasting time and privacy problem. Using it wisely can bring more benefit than harm. Thank you for attention.